G'day, welcome to Mad for Mondays. I'm Kath Molloy and I'm here with Demi and Curie, and we're in Singapore. We've just been working together over the last 3 days. And I'd just love to ask you, what do you do on a Monday to make a difference?
What I do on a Monday is kind of like what I do on most days. I'm a researcher and speaker on the future of thinking. It's about how we going to need to think in the future to stay ahead of intelligent machines. I'm actually writing a book, and in fact every Monday I spend 4 hours writing, start at the same time, finish at the same time, because every writer knows that the only discipline that works is to have an absolute immovable routine. So every Monday there's 4 hours, every other day 1 day, and I'm writing the book called The Future of Thinking 1.0. Let's start the conversation. And the book combines a novel with each chapter. The novel develops and there is lessons. There is a technique on the future of thinking, including innovation thinking, critical thinking, flexible living, the whole thing. And I expect, in fact, more than expect, I am promising myself that the whole book will be finished to first presentable draft level by September the 1st.
Wow. Well, and September the 1st, when we set goals, we always have to finish with the year. So let's make it 2019, not 2025.
Okay, cool. Put the thumb screws on. Done.
Well, and that's all about thinking, isn't it? Making that decision and then getting on with it.
And removing yourself from any other possibility.
Yeah. Perfect. So on a Monday, make a decision, whatever it is, and stick to it. Have a great week.
It's been a pleasure.
See you soon.
Bye now.
Bye.